Hi, so now in this chapter, we will again learn a important concept so called Python Lambda Lambda. Okay, this function is really a small anonymous function. Okay, and this function can take any number of argument, but it can only have one expression. Okay, what I'm telling you is just suppose there is a x. Okay, just suppose I want to add 10 to an argument. Okay, hope you understood what I'm saying, because if you are not understanding means you have not learned the previous chapter. Okay, so just suppose I want to add 10 to argument, let's say named at a. Okay, and I want to return a result anonymously. Okay, then what I should do, let's say x is a variable and lambda, I'm use lambda function. A is a variable with condition a plus 10. Okay, and I want to print it now. Print, let's say x, and in bracket it is 5. I am passing an argument. So what it will do, it will put me what, it will put 15. Why it is happening behind this? Because a is what, a I have given 5. Okay, and so 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Understood? So here what we are doing, we are adding 10 to a argument a, and we are defining a later on with the lambda function. Okay, here the expression is executed and the result is returned only. Okay, and it can even take any number of argument. We can multiply it also. How to do this? Let me take it. Um, Here we will multiply with argument. Let's say we will take a, let's say a here. Okay, we will multiply a with argument, let's say b, and we will return the result. Why we are using lambda function, I'll tell you just in couple of minutes. Okay, just suppose here x is there and lambda, we are using lambda, and we are taking two argument a and b, and condition is a will be multiplied by b. Okay, and then I'll print. Here we will give the two condition to x. This would be what, a would be 5 and b will be 6. So what output it will give me? Yes, it will give me 30, because we are multiplying it. We are taking two variable in the name of a will be 5 and b will be 6, and we are multiplying it by using the lambda function, because we are using this anonymously. Okay. Now let's take one more thing. Let's summarize it. Okay, or add it. Let's add it by using the lambda. The same example we will take. X is equal to lambda. Okay, we will take a, we will take b, and we will take 3 argument, and we will put a condition. Then a is plus b plus c. Okay, and then we will pass on the argument value here x, and then let's say a will be 5, b will be 6, and c will be, let's say, 2. So a plus b plus c, it will add the value is equal to 13. Okay, but the thing is, why we are using it? Why we are using lambda. Look, the power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Okay, let's say you have a function definition that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Here I am giving you the number, but you don't know the exact number, right? What if I don't want to give you the number? What will happen? But still you want to make a formula. Then if you want to make a formula based on anonymous number or an unknown number, then you need to use lambda function. Okay, that is the actual reason. By using this function definition, you can always use anything. You can create anything by this lambda function. Okay, let's take an example. Here let's say I'm creating a function like my func, my function. Okay, here I'm giving an parameter n. Now I'll use the lambda, return what, lambda. A condition is a will be multiplied by n. In my function I have given n. Okay, so this is the formula, so that I could only give the n, not everything. Okay, so let's say I'm using here, let's say new as a variable, and I'm using my func, and here I am putting 2. Okay, and here I am printing what, this new to be, let's say 11. So what is happening here? Let me print it. Here it is 22. Why it is? Because 2 is now the n. Okay, and we are multiplying it. So n into what? N is 2. 2 into 11 is 22. And we are using the lambda function also here. Understood what the function is actually doing? Or we can use the same function definition to make a function that always triples the number that you send. It actually doubling. We can use a double. Let's say double. double. If I'll run this, same thing will happen. Just suppose if I want to triple a number, for tripling, we will use the same. Let me copy this, copy, then paste, then here we will take the return lambda. This will all same, and here only we can change it. Okay, but the thing is double is now triple. You can use any variable. I am just writing a meaningful variable, triple. If I'll run this, it will go to 33 because I have tripled it. Okay, we will triple this. Or just suppose you want to use the same function definition. Okay, but you can make both the function in a same program. If you want to use this function in a same program, then also it could be done. If you want to use the same above program, let's say above program, then what? This thing will be the same, lambda, return lambda, a is a into n. Then here we can do, it is a doubler, okay, double function, and here you can use triple is equal to my func, and then we will go on with 3. and we can print it even. Okay, print double is 11 and print triple, that will also be same. Okay, if you'll run this, you can get 22 and 33 in a same. Okay, so hope you understood. We will use the lambda function when an anonymous function is required for a short period of time. You cannot use lambda function for a long period of time because it consistently changes and you can't use it. So if you want to use it for a short period of time and you don't know the value, you want to use it anonymously, you have anonymous function or something, then you can use the lambda function. Okay, so hope you understood the concept behind the lambda function. Just try it, do it again and again, and you will get to know the basic concept behind the lambda function. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.